Good day, everyone. Welcome back to Math A YouTube channel. In this channel, we're going to discuss different topics in mathematics. Our lesson for today is about multiplication and division of fractions. These are the steps in multiplying fractions. First, multiply the numerator by numerator. Second, multiply the denominator by denominator. And third, simplify if needed. Example, 2 over 5 times 6 over 7. So we have to multiply first the numerators. 2 times 6 is equal to 12. And then multiply the denominators. 5 times 7 is equal to 35. Since 12 and 35 doesn't have common factors, it means that it is already the simplified form. These are the steps in dividing fractions. 1. Find the reciprocal of the second fraction. 2. Proceed to multiplying fraction. And 3. Simplify if needed. Example, 1 over 4 divided by 3 over 5. So that would be equal to, first, let us copy the first fraction, which is 1 over 4. And then change division sign by multiplication sign. And then the reciprocal of the second fraction is 5 over 3. And then proceed tayo sa rules of multiplying fraction. So 1 times 5 is equal to 5 and 4 times 3 is equal to 12. So 5 over 12 is already in simplified form. Let us perform the indicated operation. 3 over 5 times 6 over 10. First, multiply numerator by numerator over denominator times denominator. So that would be equal to 3 times 6 equals 18 and 5 times 10 is equal to 50. So 18 and 50 has common factors, which is 2. So that would be equal to 9 over 25. So 9 over 25 is the simplified form of 18 over 50. Another, 2 over 7 times 1 over 3. So that would be equal to 2 times 1 is equal to 2. 7 times 3 is equal to 21. 2 over 21 doesn't have common factors. Therefore, it is already in simplified form. Next, 4 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. So that would be equal to, first, we have to copy the first fraction, which is 4 over 5. And then, get the reciprocal of the second fraction, or what we code as divisor. So get the reciprocal of 2 over 3, that is equal to 3 over 2. And then change the division sign by multiplication sign. And then let us proceed now to multiplication. 4 times 3 is equal to 12, and 5 times 2 is equal to 10. So 12 over 10 can be simplified, and the simplified form is equal to 6 over 5. Another example, 2 over 5 divided by 2 over 3. That would be equal to, first, copy the first fraction, which is 2 over 5, or what we code as dividend. And then, the second fraction, or the divisor, will be 3 over 2. So we get the reciprocal of 2 over 3. And then change division sign by multiplication sign. So we can now proceed to multiplication. Okay, to shorten our method, we can cancel the common numbers in the numerator and denominator. So what is the common number in the numerator and denominator? So we have here number 2. So 2 over 2 would be equal to 1. So we have 1 here and 1 also in the denominator. So we can multiply the remaining terms as 1 times 3 is equal to 3 and 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Another example, 5 over 7 times 4 over 5. So that would be equal to 4 over 7. So what did we do? We cancel the common factors in the numerator and denominator, and that is number 5. So 5 over 5 will give us 1. So multiply 1 times 4 is equal to 4 and 7 times 1 is equal to 7. Last example, 1 over 4 divided by 1 over 8. That would be equal to 1 over 4 times 8 over 1. So we can now simplify the common factors. So we have here 1 in the numerator, 1 in the denominator, and then 8 here, and then 4 in the denominator. So this 8 would become 2, and then 4 became 1. And then proceed to multiplication. So that would be equal to 1 times 2 is equal to 2, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 2 over 1 would be equal to 2. So that's why we only have here 2. That ends our lesson for today. Thank you for watching. I'm Teacher Grace. See you again next time. Please like and subscribe. Bye!